Hi guys, welcome back. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be a pink halo eye look. One of my subscribers requested another halo eye look after I did my smoky halo eye look. So of course I had to listen to you guys. Our focus is going to be talking about breast cancer. Because as you guys may or may not already know, October is breast cancer awareness month. Breast cancer is something that is very close to my heart because it does run in my family, and I never knew before one of my family members were affected. I never knew that it could be hereditary. It's kind of going to be like a get ready with me style video where I will talk to you about breast cancer. Now all the information that I will be sharing with you guys, it's from Google, but I will link all the articles that I have read that I have found helpful in my description. I'm going to start off with priming my skin with the Colorbar Perfect Selfie Primer Oil. I'm going to use a lot of it because my skin is feeling extra dry. Let's start with talking about what cancer is. Being 100% honest, I didn't even know what exactly cancer was until one of my family members was affected by it. I have no shame in admitting that, but then I decided to make myself self-aware and I googled it and I talked about it. Basically what cancer is we all know that a human body is made up of cells, right? And a cell has a lifespan. I don't exactly know the lifespan of a cell because it's been a while since I've been out of school. When a cell doesn't die, it becomes a cancerous cell, and a cancerous cell then multiplies and produces more cancerous cells. If I'm incorrect about anything, including what I just said, please correct me in the comments down below. I am not a medical student. I have only studied like school level science, and even that not with much interest. To prep my lips, I'm using the LANEIGE lip sleeping mask, of course my favorite. Also it's pink, which is perfect for today's video. In fact, I've tried to use as many pink things in today's video as possible. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 230 Natural Buff. So out of all the cancers that affect women throughout the world, 25% of them suffer from breast cancer. That is a really high percentage of women suffering from breast cancer. That is why awareness for this is an extremely important issue. I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder to set my base. This is in the shade Translucent. The key to preventing breast cancer is of course leading a healthy lifestyle. Another thing that you can do is detect cancer early on. And how you can do that is by doing regular home checkups of your breasts. I will definitely link proper resources in the description. I will keep saying that throughout the video, but it's important. So how you can do that is you can do it while you're showering or anytime, just once a month. Raise your arm up like that and then press like your entire breast area, in between your breasts and over here, everywhere on both sides. You want to do that and do it every single month. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand because I forgot to highlight, and I know I've already powdered my face, but I think I can pull it through if I work really fast. Now, if you're following this tutorial, please use a concealer before using your powder. I totally forgot. Powdering everywhere, I use the concealer again because I have to set that area. To do my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Brow Kit in medium, and I'm using this shade over here. This is the darkest shade. I read this article when I was searching all about breast cancer and the breast cancer gene and everything like that. I came across this article about Angelina Jolie, how she had gotten her breasts removed even though she did not have cancer, breast cancer. She was definitely at risk of probably going through breast cancer at some point in her life. I was just thinking, how cool is it that she did that, because it truly inspired me and gave me hope, if I'm being honest, because she's like an A-list celebrity. She's freaking Angelina Jolie, you know. Cameras are like zooming in on her 24/7. Anytime she makes a public appearance, the cameras point toward her because she's Angelina Jolie. So if someone that is in front of the cameras 24/7 had, you know, the guts to do that, get their breasts removed, because I know that it's an integral part of a female body, right? So even the thought of having them removed can make you feel like self-conscious and maybe even like you're less of a woman, but you're not. You're literally a survivor. Coming back to how you can minimize your risk of getting cancer is by leading a healthy lifestyle and maintaining a healthy weight, because obesity is a risk factor. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Mastery palette. Of course, it has all the right shades of pinks. I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm gonna put it at the very edge of our eyes. Just stamp it here and keep stamping. This will automatically blend out a shadow. I'm going to put the same color in my inner third of my eyelid also. Same thing, just keep stamping it. For the eyes part, I'm only going to talk about all the techniques and how I'm doing it, and after that we'll continue our breast cancer talk. Okay, so now I'm taking this brown color on the very, like, the tip of the brush. We want to place it on top of the eyeshadow that we placed there, but just on the very outer corner, like literally just here. We're gonna do the same for our inner corners. We're gonna press it just here. We're not gonna bring it all the way here, just here at the almost the start for eyeshadow. And a fluffy blending brush, I'm taking this pink shade. I'm going to run this through my upper crease. Taking that same pink shade that we used in our crease, I'm going to use it over here, like right over here, and blend it out. And then the same on here also, of course. So basically we're creating a gradient of the light pink, then the dark pink, and then the brown. And that is how we get our depth in this look. I'm going to use the same Maybelline concealer that we used underneath our eyes, and I'm going to put it in the center. And we're doing this to brighten up our centers even more. Now with my fingers, I'm going to pick up this peachy pinky shimmer, or actually metallic shade, and place it on top of the concealer. This is definitely more peachy and I want more pinky vibes. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. From the Huda Beauty palette, I'll use this shade. It's called Celestial. And it's, I think, my favorite shade in the palette. It's basically a duochrome shade, so it's going to give it a more pinky like shift. Going back to the LA Girl palette, we're going to take the same pink shade. We're going to blend the edges. For my lower lashes, I'm using a combination of the brown and this maroon kind of shade. And I'm only going to put it on my outer corner like this, and then connect it with my top eyeshadow. I'm also going to be putting it in my inner third, so we're going to leave this space empty, basically mimicking what we've done on our top lid on our bottom lid now. I'm using Nefertiti from the Huda Beauty palette for my inner corner highlight. I'm using the Colorbar Just Smoky eye pencil, and this is in the shade Just Marsala, and I really love this. It's a very like maroon shade, and I'll be using this in my lower waterline. So it's finally time to add some color to our face, and for that I will use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Bronzer. I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Mellow Wine. I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is the Mega Glow highlighter in Precious Petals, and it's pink. Oh. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, my favorite. It's been my favorite for years now. The whole point of me making even this video about breast cancer and talking about it is because if it can even help one person, and I know everybody says this, but I really do truly mean it, if this even helps one person out, like makes them self-aware about this issue, then I think it's all worth it. On my lips I'm using this lip combo. This is the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie Lip Pencil in Chocolate Boy. I really love it. It's an amazing nude. On top of this I'm going to use this Maybelline lipstick in Plum Seduction. It's a very like glossy kind of a lipstick. I'm also going to use this Lakme 95 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. This is in Blush Velvet. The number one thing that I think you should take away from this video about breast cancer is that early detection is key. And how you can do that is by checking your breasts at home at least once a month, every single month. If you find some weird lumps in your breasts, or one of your breasts is like weirdly larger than the other. Also, another thing would be if your nipples are having some kind of a discharge, please go and talk to a doctor. So once again, don't forget to check out my description box for all the info, way more info than I was able to give in this video. This is a completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because I absolutely loved filming this video. Don't forget, I'm uploading a new video every single day until the end of October. So check back tomorrow for a new video. If you would like to be notified of when I upload, follow me on Instagram because that is the first place where I announce whenever a video goes live. And also please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your mom, your sister, your best friends, your girlfriends, your aunts, uncles, whoever you think can benefit from this video, or better yet, the resources in the description box. And I think that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.